In this guide, I'll quickly walk you through on how to sort files faster on your OneDrive account. What I mean by that is from the newest to the oldest. Maybe you have a lot of files in a folder and you want to get to the one you last uploaded on that folder. Let's just get right into it. First, I'll use Microsoft Edge browser for this. So I'll click on it. As the browser opens, visit OneDrive.com and log in. Alright, look at OneDrive.com. I'll press enter to log in. Alright, I'm logged into my OneDrive account. So once you're in your account, please ensure you are on the Files tab. Alright, our interest is to sort for files. But if you want to get to a particular photo so fast, click on Photos. Alright, and scroll until you get to the photo you want to use. You can see a lot of photos here. I can keep scrolling until I get to the photo I want to, use, and then download it or use for anything. So, but let's get back to files. So I'll click on Files. Now I'll click on my file so that you have access to some files you have here. All right, all the files you have, once you click on my files, you see them, including photos and pictures. So I want to experiment with a particular folder I call here my YouTube videos. So I'll click on that. So this folder contains a lot of folders too. So let's go to December 2025. So I'll click on it again. All right. So I want to see the file I last uploaded on this folder into this folder. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to click on this modified. Okay, click on that. Now you will see a lot of options. All right, you see oldest to newest, you see older to newer, then you see newer to older. I have the option of filter by, but I want it to be easy for us. So I want to see the last file that I uploaded here so that I'll know how to upload the remaining files. Okay, so that I don't just go and upload the one I have uploaded before. So I'll select this, newer to older. So this shows the last file that was uploaded inside this folder. So it is that simple. So anytime you want to get to the last file you uploaded in a particular folder or your OneDrive account, do it this way.